Hey, Sulla, so this legislation does not protect women who got pregnant as a result of rape or incest, and now goes to the governor's office, and he says he is going to sign this. So take a look at this statement that was just issued in the past couple minutes. Now, he says in part, in 2015, I ran for governor as a pro-life candidate after serving as a pro-life legislator for 8 years. As governor, I have been true to my word and my beliefs on this issue. I know there are many who feel just as strongly as I do on abortion and disagree with me, and I respect their opinions. As I prepare to sign this bill, I call on the overwhelming bipartisan majority of legislators who voted for it to join me in continuing to build a better Louisiana. So lawmakers, they grew very emotional throughout the day today, some even sharing stories of their mother having them at a very young age. Now, at times, several lawmakers also were seen shouting and not holding back, some saying it's a woman's body and she should have the right to choose. Lawmakers, they did try to amend this bill, making an exception for women who got pregnant as a result of rape and incest, but those changes were voted down.
Who are you to tell women what they can and cannot do with their bodies? Mr. Speaker, I object to this language and to these men trying to make laws telling women what to do with their bodies.
Do we have a right to come in here and make laws that protect human life? Absolutely we do. It is not the mother's life that is destroyed by abortion. It is the baby.
So while the governor is expected to sign this piece of legislation, it is very important to note that it's only going to take effect. That's if a federal appeals court upholds a similar law in Mississippi. Reporting live in Baton Rouge, I'm Aubrey Killian, WDSU News.